Hi everyone. Okay, so we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select maths from the subject tab. Go to grade 6 maths and find the chapter mixed operations. So we're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. And here is the lessons we're going to start with. We're going to work on today. Perform multiple operations with fractions. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide two integers. Perform multiple operations with integers. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide two decimals. Got it? These are the four topics we're going to cover today. So now let's start with the first one. Perform multiple operations with fractions. Perform multiple operations with fractions. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and definitions as well. Got it? Here's the topic mixed operations, and the topic is multiple, no, perform multiple operations with fractions. Let's start with this one. Okay, so the first one is evaluate 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 times 1 over 4. Okay, so first of all, we're going to division and multiplication are on the same level. Got it? But first we do multiplication. So let's start doing the multiplication. So just multiply them. When you multiply two of the fractions, you need to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. Got it? Write 1 by 5 as it is because we have nothing to do with 1 by 5 at this step. 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 4 is 8. Got it? Now you have to divide 1 by 5 by 1 by 8. So we have done in the last session, you have to remove that division sign to the multiplication one, and you have to take the reciprocal of the term 1 the fraction 1 by 8. Reciprocal means you have to interchange numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 over 1. Got it? Now let's do multiply these two fractions. 8 times 1 is 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. So the answer is 8 over 5. Or either you can write the answer in mixed fractional form. Sure, I will. 5 times 1 is 5, 8 subtract 5 is 3. Okay, let me explain once again. The question is 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 times 1 by 4. So whenever we have more than one operations in a question, we can do them, we can follow them step by step. Multiplication and division are on same level. First we do multiplication or division, then we do addition or subtraction. Got it? But if you have multiplication and division in the same question, you do multiplication first. Got it? Then you do division. So first of all, you have to solve the portion that has the multiplication sign. This one. Got it? It would be 1 by 2 times 1 over 4. So when you multiply the fractions, you do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. Got it? You need to do 1 times 1 and 2 times 4. It would be 1 over 8. Got it? Then we have done divide fractions in the last session. You can find the topic in the last session. You have to convert that division sign to the multiplication one. You can write 1 by 5, replace the division sign with multiplication one, and when you do when you replace the division sign with multiplication, you have to reciprocal the term right after the division sign. Reciprocal means if it is 1 over 8, the reciprocal is 8 over 1. You have to just interchange, swap numerator and denominator. Got it? So it would be then 8 over 1. Got it? Now you have to multiply numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. It would be 8 over 5. Then you have to divide 8 by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 8 subtract 5 is 3. So the answer is 1 whole 3 over 5. Got it? It would be 1 whole 3 over 5. Okay, good. Now let's just do another practice question. Okay, the next one is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 subtract 3 over 5. Okay, so you have addition and subtraction. Both of them are on the same level. Got it? So you have to do from left to right. Got it? So at the left, you have addition first. So first, just add them. Got it? Both of them have same denominators. Whenever you have the fractions with like denominators, you simply add their numerators. Got it? It would be 4 plus 1 is 5 over 5. Got it? You have done with addition. Now you have to subtract them. They have like denominators. Simply subtract their numerators. It would be 5 subtract 3 is 2. So the answer is 2 over 5. Got it, everyone? It would be 2 by 5. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Evaluate, but you are not given with the question. Okay, leave this one. Just select any option and move on to the next question because we are not given with the question. Okay, the next one is again, you're not given with the questions. I think I have to skip this test because you're not given with the practice questions. Got it? Let's just do more questions from the tutorial because you're not given with the questions. So let's just do perform operations with fractions. So let's start with the first one. 1 by 3 times 1 by 10 plus 1 by 3 times 1 by 10 plus 2 over 5. Okay, so you have the parenthesis in the question because just look at the first statement. Do operations inside the parenthesis. That means 1 by 10 and plus 2 by 5 is in parenthesis. Got it? Because otherwise you have to do multiplication first. So that's why I put the parenthesis around 1 by 10 plus 2 by 5. Got it? Okay, let's just add first because you have to always solve parenthesis first. Got it? Doesn't matter which operation is inside the parenthesis, just solve the parenthesis first. So first you have to add these two fractions. Got it? So both of the fractions have different denominators. First of all, unlike denominators, first of all you need to make their denominators same, like denominators. Got it? So how can you make their denominators same? The greater one has the denominator 10. The greater denominator is 10. The smaller denominator is 5. You have to make the smaller denominator equal to the greater one. Got it? It would be then 5 times 2 makes 10. So you have to multiply this fraction by 2 to make its denominator 10. It would be 1 over 10 plus 2 times 2 divided by 5 times 2. It would be 1 over 10 and plus 4 over 10. Got it? Because we have already done with so many practice questions with adding fractions with unlike denominators. Got it? So if you have any problem while adding, just go and revise the lesson of adding add fractions. Got it? Okay, it would be then 1 over 3 times 5 times 4 plus 1 is 5 and 10. Got it? Now just multiply numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. It would be 5 times 1 is 5 and 10 times 3 is 30. We have a common fact number that can divide both numerator and denominator. Just divide them by 5. It would be 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 6 is 30. Got it? It would be 1 over 6. Got it, everyone? Let's see if we have another example on the tutorial. Yes. 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. Okay, the next one is, let's do the next one. 4 over 5 divided by 2 over 5 and plus 3 over 10. Okay. Again, you have 2 by 5 and 3 by 10 is in parentheses. So you always have to solve the parentheses first. It doesn't matter which operations are inside the parentheses. Got it? Okay, so they have the unlike denominators. First, you have to make their denominators same. Here you have 5 and here you have 10. So 5 times 2 makes 10. So just multiply this fraction by 2. Got it? To make their denominators same. It would be it would be 4 over 5 divided by 4 over 10 and plus 3 over 10. Now just add their numerators because they have like denominators. So it would be 7 over 10. Got it? Okay, now you have again a division sign. Convert that division sign to the multiplication one and reciprocal the term right after the division sign. It would be then 10 over 7. Got it? Just multiply them. It would be 10 times 4 is 40 and 7 times 5 is 35. We have a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. It would be 5. Just divide them by 5. It would be 5 times 8 is 40 and 5 times 7 is 35. Got it, everyone? Just divide them. 7 times 1 is 7. And it would be 1 whole 1 over 7. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, just write the question in the chat box. Otherwise, I am moving on to the next topic. Is there any problem? Okay, let's just move on to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is add, subtract, multiply, or divide two integers. Let me write down the next little topic name on the board. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide two integers. Okay, let's start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is -2 times -9. So both the numbers are the negative integers. Got it? So you have to memorize some of the rules. They are, when you are multiplying, let me write them down on board. Please note them down. They are very important, very related to integers. when multiplying two integers with same sign. Product must be positive. Got it? This is the very important point. Please note them down with you. Okay, the second one is the other one is when multiplying two integers with opposite signs or different signs. Product must be negative. For example, this one is two numbers with opposite sign. You're multiplying. The answer must be positive. Just do 9 times 2, it would be 18. Got it? But if, for example, it is negative 2 times 9, one of them have positive sign and one of them is with negative sign. So it doesn't matter. Just answer must be negative, and it would be 9 times 2 is 18. Got it? It would be negative 18. Got it, everyone? Should I move on? Should I clear the canvas? Let me know when you are done. I'm waiting. Be quick, please. Okay. Should I move on? Okay, let's start with another example. The other example is negative 6 times negative 9. So both the numbers are okay, both the numbers have same sign, so answer must be positive, and 9 times 6 is 54. Got it? Okay, now let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, negative 6 times negative 9. Both the integers have negative sign. Answer must be positive, and 9 times 6 is 54. The first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, now you are dividing a positive number by the negative one. So for division, you have to follow the same rules. Just replace the word multiplying by dividing. When dividing two integers with same sign, answer must be positive. Just replace the words multiplying with dividing. When dividing two numbers with the same sign, answer must be positive. When dividing two numbers with the opposite signs, answer must be dividing. Answer must be negative. Got it? So basically, the rules for adding and dividing integers are same. Got it? Okay. You have it would be negative 9. Very good. 8 times 9 is 72. It would be negative 9. Okay, the next one is 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Both the numbers are positive, so answer must be positive. Got it? Okay, negative 3, subtract negative 3. Okay, subtracting a negative integer is same as adding integer. Subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. This is very important point. Please note it down. You are subtracting a negative integer, so it would be same as adding. That is the mean. That makes 0. Got it? Blue Star, I have just 45 minutes to cover all the topics. That's why I'm a bit fast. These are the topics you have already covered in the last sessions. The videos are recorded. They are on the saved on the channel. You can watch them later. Got it? Subtracting a negative integer is okay, good. Same as saying it would be 0. Okay. Okay, negative 10 plus 99. You have to now you are adding two integers. So let me write down the rules for adding the integers. Please note them down. Be quick also. It would be negative 10 plus 99. Okay, now you have to write the rules for adding. Okay, when adding, when two integers have opposite signs, you have to subtract them and put a sign of the number with greater magnitude or either greater value. Got it? Like for example, the one I've written on the board. Both of the numbers have opposite signs. Got it? You have to subtract them. 99 subtract 10 is 88. But 99 is the greater number with the positive sign, so answer must be positive. Got it? Okay. When two integers have same sign, add them. So answer must have the same sign as the numbers. Got it? Answer must have same sign as the numbers. For example, negative 10 and negative 9. Both the numbers are negative. Answer must have a negative sign. Got it? And you have to add them. It would be then 109. Got it? If both of them have a positive sign, you have to add them. Answer must be positive. Got it? These are the very important rules you have to follow when working with the integers. Okay, so it would be 89. Okay, the next one is negative 5 dividing by 1. So you are dividing two numbers with the opposite signs. Answer must have a negative sign, so it would be negative 5. Got it? Okay, let me just move on to the next topic so you can complete the test by yourself later today. When doing the test questions, just follow the rules I've written on the board. You will get the all the answers correct. Got it? Okay, the next one is perform multiple operations with integers. perform multiple operations with integers. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test. Okay, negative 8 divided by negative 4 plus 4. Negative 8 divided by negative 4 plus 4. Let me just confirm if it is the same question. Negative 8, yes, that's the same one. Okay, negative 8 divided by negative 4 plus 4. You have more than one operations in the question. They are dividing and addition. Dividing has the higher priority. You have to divide first. Got it? Apply the same rules I've written for the integers. Got it? You are dividing two numbers with the same signs. Answer must be positive. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Got it? Then you have to add positive 2 and positive 4. So it makes positive 6. Got it? It would be positive 6. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 7 divided by negative 1 times negative 1. Got it? So division and multiplication are on the same priority. Got it? You have to divide first. You're dividing a positive number by a negative, it would be negative. And then you are multiplying two numbers with the same sign. Answer must be positive. So it would be 7. Very good. It is 7. Got it? Answer is 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is negative 3 subtract negative 12. Negative 3 subtract negative 12 divided by 4. So, first of all, you have to perform division. Division has the higher priority. Got it? Just divide negative 12 by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Answer must be negative. Got it? It would be negative 3 subtract negative 3. Got it? So, subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. It would be negative 3 and plus 3. So, the answer is 0. Got it? So negative 3 plus 3 makes 0. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 divided by negative 3. 3 divided by negative 3 and times 4. Okay, so you have division and multiplication are on the same level. Got it? You have to perform from left to right. So on the left we have multiple division first. So just let just divide. 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1, and negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Got it? It would be negative 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is 14 subtract negative 1 multiply by negative 1, I think. Let me just yes. So first we have to multiply because multiplication has the higher priority. Got it? So you have to do negative 1 times negative 1 makes positive 1. Got it? It would be 14 minus 1. So 14 minus 1 is 13. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So the next topic is add, subtract, multiply, divide two decimals. Okay, the lesson name is add, subtract, multiply, or divide two decimals. Okay, so the first one is divide, give the exact answer 118 divided by 4. So you already know how to divide, isn't it? You have to count a table of 4 until you get 11 or a number that is less than 11. Got it? 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. We can go for 4 times 2. 11 subtract 8 is 2. Bring the next digit down, it would be 8. 4 times what number makes 28? 4 times 7 makes 28. Got it? So 28 subtract 28 is 0. Got it? Is there any problem with division? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Good. Okay, the next one is 10 times 0.8. So you are multiplying decimals. So 10 times 0.8 is, multiply the numbers. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 1 is 8. You have to put a decimal point right after the first digit. It would be 8.0. The answer is 8. 10 times 0.8 is 8. Got it? Is there any problem with the one I just did? Good. Okay, the next one is 0.1 times 4. So 0.1 times 4 is, it would be 0.4. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, 4.6 times 2 is, 4.6 times 2 is, just multiply them and put a sign right after the one digit. Yes, very good. It would be 9.2. So select the correct option and then move on to the next question. It would be 9.2. Okay, the next one is 0.3 times 18. So the answer is, it would be 5.4. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, you have to divide 0.3 by 6. So it would be 0.3. Okay, you cannot divide 0.3 by 6, but you already have a decimal point. You can put a 0 over here and a 0 over here. Got it? Because you added a 0. So it would be 6.6 times 5 makes 30. So it would be 0.05. Got it? Okay, 4.8 times 0.1 is, Very good. It is 0.48. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So that's all for today. We have covered four of the topics today. We have covered four of the topics today. They are from the chapter Measured Operations. The topic names are perform multiple operations with fractions, then add, subtract, multiply, or divide two integers, then perform multiple operations with integers, add, subtract, multiply, or divide two decimals. Got it? So that's all for today. Thank you for your participation. See you guys in the next session. Thank you all. Bye, everyone. If you find the session helpful for you, please like the video. Click on the like button right below the video. Got it? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.